Now we have one more sum left in the exercise 8.4, that is fifth sum, fifth subdivision. Cos A minus sin A plus 1 divided by cos A plus sin A minus 1 is equal to cosecant A plus cot A. As always, we are going to take the left hand side and prove the right hand side. So first let's take the left hand side. Cos A minus sin A plus 1 by cos A plus sin A minus 1. This is the left hand side. So first of all, we are going to multiply and divide by sin A in both the numerator and the denominator. Multiply and divide by sin A, that is in both the numerator and denominator. So sin A into cos A minus sin A plus 1 by sin A into cos A plus sin A minus 1. We have multiplied and divided by sin A on both the numerator and denominator. So in the next step, multiply each element by sin A. Sin A into cos A, sin A cos A minus sin A into minus sin A minus sin square A, sin A into plus 1 plus sin A by sin A into cos A, sin A cos A, sin A into plus sin A plus sin square A, sin A into minus 1 minus sin A. Now we will take this plus 1 plus sin A near here and minus sin A near here. That is for our comfort. That is sin A cos A plus sin A minus sin square A by sin A cos A plus sin square A minus sin A. Or let's leave the denominator like that itself without a multiplication. Let's leave the denominator as such. That is sin A into cos A plus sin A minus 1. Let's leave the denominator as such. We need not multiply. Sin A into cos A plus sin A minus 1. Okay, now from these two we will take sin A outside. Before that, before taking sin A outside, what is sin square A? Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1 is the identity. So we have sin square A. Instead of sin square A, we will be writing it as, we will take cos square A to the other side. So sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. So instead of sin square A, we will replace it with 1 minus cos square A. So this step, sin A into cos A, sin A into cos A plus sin A minus of 1 minus cos square A by sin A into cos A plus sin A minus 1. What is 1 minus cos square A? What is the form identity of 1 minus cos square A? It is A square minus B square format, which is A plus B into A minus B. So 1 minus cos square A is nothing but 1 plus cos A, that is A plus B, into 1 minus cos A, that is A minus B. So instead of 1 minus cos square A, we will be writing it as 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A. So sin A cos A plus sin A minus of 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A divided by sin A into cos A plus sin A minus 1. This is the step. So, in this step, in these two elements, we are taking sin A outside. So, taking sin A outside, we will be left with cos A here. Cos A plus, instead of sin A here, we will be writing only it as 1 because sin A already it is taken out. So, we will write it as 1. So, cos A plus 1 minus 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A by sin A into cos A plus sin A minus 1. Again, in the next step, we have cos A plus 1 and cos A plus 1 as common. We have cos A plus 1 here and cos A plus 1 here as common. So, we will take this cos A plus 1 outside, taking cos A plus 1 outside. If we take cos A plus 1 here, what will be left here? Sin A will be left here. So, when we are taking cos A plus 1 outside, we will be left with sin A. So, cos A plus 1 taking it outside into sin A minus, here again 1 plus cos A is taken outside. 1 plus cos A and cos A plus 1 are same. So, 1 plus cos A is taken outside. So, here we are left with 1 minus cos A. We are left with 1 minus cos A. So, minus of 1 minus cos A by sin A into cos A plus sin A minus 1, because 1 plus cos A is taken outside. So, here we have sin A and minus 1 instead of 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A, since it is taken outside, we have only 1 minus cos A here. So, in the next step again, we will write it as cos A plus 1 into sin A minus into plus, this is plus 1. So, minus into plus 1 minus 1, minus into minus plus, plus cos A divided by sin A into cos A plus sin A minus 1. So, here both the denominator and numerator are equal because sin A minus 1 plus cos A, here same sin A minus 1 plus cos A, these both gets cancelled. Sin A minus 1 plus cos A and cos A plus sin A minus 1 both are same, it gets cancelled. So, we are left with cos A plus 1 by sin A. We are left with cos A plus 1 by sin A. So, we will just divide cos A by sin A plus 1 by sin A. So, what is cos A by sin A? It's nothing but cot A. Cos A by sin A is cot A and 1 by sin A is cosecant A. So, cosecant A, cot A plus cosecant A, the same as cosecant A plus cot A, that is the RHS. So, we have got the proof, that is with the left hand side we have proved that cos A minus sin A plus 1 by cos A plus sin A minus 1 is equal to cot A plus cosecant A. So, with the help of the identities, we were able to prove that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. If you like my video, please click the like button, share and subscribe to your friends. Thank you.